Quick question. When your team does something amazing, do you A, celebrate it publicly, B, send a thank you email, or C, nod silently like it was expected all along? If you picked C, we need to talk, because recognition is fuel, and your team just might be running on fumes. Recognition isn't just nice to have. It's a retention strategy, a culture booster, and frankly, it's free return on investment. People don't just work for a paycheck. They work for purpose, pride, and progress. When you fail to highlight achievements, morale drops, innovation stalls, and your best people start updating their LinkedIn profiles at lunch. So here's some strategies to do it right. Make it public, but purposeful. Shout outs in team meetings, company newsletters, or even social media. Just make sure that the recognition matches the impact. Be specific. Saying good job is nice, but let's try to tailor that a little bit better. Like, your redesign cut customer wait time by 35%, and clients noticed. Now that's powerful. Mix the mediums. Not everyone likes public praise. Some value a handwritten note, a one-on-one conversation, or a surprise coffee delivery. Create a culture of peer recognition. Don't make it all top down. Encourage teammates to shout each other out. And lastly, make it consistent. Recognition is like watering plants. You can't do it once a year and expect growth. As always, here's the truth. Your employees are already doing things worth celebrating. If you're not highlighting them, you're missing out on a massive opportunity to build loyalty, energy, and a team that goes the extra mile because they want to, not because they have to. So here's your homework. Before this week is over, find one genuine accomplishment from someone on your team and recognize it in a way that matters to them. Watch what happens. And if you want more leadership strategies that actually work in the real world, subscribe, follow, and join me here every week, because in the workplace, recognition isn't extra, it's essential.